Is the M5 MacBook Air the game-changer we've been waiting for? Or is Apple playing it safe once again? On the horizon for spring 2026, Apple is preparing to refresh its most popular laptop with the next-generation M5 silicon. But the rumors are a bit of a roller coaster. We're hearing about massive jumps in GPU power and a long-overdue storage upgrade, but some disappointing news regarding that highly anticipated OLED display. Today we are diving deep into the leaked specs, the real-world performance expectations of the M5 architecture, and why you might want to rethink your upgrade path if you were holding out for a total redesign. The M5 chip, neural accelerators, and architecture. The M5 isn't just a clock speed bump. It introduces a shift in how Apple handles AI in graphics. It is built on TSMC's enhanced 3nm N3P process, which offers higher transistor density than the M4's N3E process. Integrated neural accelerators. Borrowing from the A19 Pro architecture, Apple has embedded a neural accelerator directly into each GPU core. This allows the GPU to handle massive matrix multiplications, common in AI, without offloading them to the neural engine, resulting in up to 4x peak AI performance over the M4. CPU configuration. Expect a 10-core CPU consisting of 4 performance cores and 6 efficiency cores. While the core count is similar to the M4, the world's fastest performance cores are expected to deliver a 15% boost in multi-threaded tasks. Memory bandwidth. A significant jump to 153.6 GB per second, up from 120 GB/s. This allows for much faster data movement between the CPU, GPU, and the AI hardware, making 4K video editing and large AI model processing significantly smoother. The display roadmap. OLED versus LCD. The OLED screen leak mentioned in many rumors is actually a MacBook Pro story that will eventually trickle down to the Air. Spring 2026. M5 Air will not have OLED. It will retain the current Liquid Retina LCD with 500 nits of brightness. Apple is prioritizing the M5 chip and AI capabilities for this release. Late 2026/early 2027, M6 Pro. The MacBook Pro is expected to debut the first OLED touchscreen panels. 2028, M7/M8 Air. According to analysts like Mark Gurman, this is the realistic window for an OLED MacBook Air. This delay is due to the high cost of tandem OLED panels and Apple's strategy of keeping the Air's price point at $999. Thermals and performance sustenance. A major point of discussion in the tech community is how the M5, a chip designed to run in the fan-cooled MacBook Pro, will behave in the fanless MacBook Air. Without a fan, the M5 Air will likely use aggressive thermal management. It will be snappier for short, intense bursts, opening apps, AI photo editing, but may throttle down to M4 levels during long 3D renders or extended gaming sessions. Because the N3P process is more efficient, the M5 should theoretically stay cooler than the M3 or M4 under light office workloads, potentially pushing battery life closer to 20 hours of light use. The design is likely not changing for the M5 generation. The current look is staying. Furthermore, if you were hoping for an OLED screen, I have some bad news. It's not happening yet. In fact, rumors suggest we might see a different type of LED update before OLED ever touches an Air. This also means promotion, 120 Hz, is still a long way off, likely not even arriving with the M6. For context, look at the iPhone. It took years for promotion to trickle down from the Pro models to the standard ones. The real magic is happening underneath the keyboard. The M5 chip is expected to be a refined version of the M4. We're looking at a 10-core CPU, 6 efficiency cores and 4 performance cores. The big upgrade could be the GPU. We've been stuck at 10 cores since the M2. It is highly likely the M5 will jump to a 12-core GPU for the full-fat version. We also expect to see the new architecture introduced with the A19 Pro, including bigger caches and specialized neural cores to boost performance. RAM and storage. What about specs? After years of 256 GB being the base, we might finally see Apple move to 512 GB as the entry-level storage for the M5. As for RAM, since Apple just moved the baseline to 16 GB, expect that to stay the same with configurations available at 16 GB, 24 GB, and 32 GB. Release date and pricing. When can you buy it? Based on current leaks, Apple is targeting spring 2026 for the M5 MacBook Air release. As for the price, expect it to hold steady at $999 for the 13-inch, with education discounts bringing it down to $899. So the M5 MacBook Air is shaping up to be an under-the-hood beast, rather than a visual revolution. While the lack of OLED in promotion is a tough pill to swallow for some, that potential jump to a 12-core GPU and 512 GB base storage makes this a massive value play for students and creators alike. But I want to hear from you. Is the M5 chip enough to make you upgrade? Or are you holding out until 2027 or 2028 for that OLED screen? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to enter our 13-inch M4 iPad Pro giveaway. Make sure you've commented on your most wanted tech for 2025 and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the live winner announcement at the end of September. Stay safe out there and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.